Welcome, my friends. This is a simple video on how to enable developer options in Android devices. This is a very common technique. But if you don't know about how to enable developer option, then check this video. So to do so, open settings, go to about phone, click on that. Then software information, and click on build number for 5 to 6 times. Then it will ask for password. After typing the correct password, uh, it will enable developer option uh, below the about phone option. So in this way you can enable developer option in Android devices. So thanks for watching this video. See you in next video. Thank you.